So your waterproofing method is kind of the same no matter how old the home is. Your waterproofing comes down to what foundation you have. A poured foundation wall is a little bit easier to waterproof than a stone wall because there's less areas of water intrusion. When you're dealing with a stone wall, there's really no way to waterproof the wall. You're water managing the issue. You are installing a sump pump in that particular area, and then you are putting in what we call a pull drain. It's the 2-inch drain tile that runs around swimming pools to collect that water. Since the stone walls are so uneven down the face of it, there's no way to get a product on it that looks good and functions correctly. So we break out 12 to 14 inches at the bottom, just like we would do in a poured wall. We dig down 12 inches and we put a 4-inch perforated PVC pipe in there. Once we do that, we encase that in gravel, and then we put the pull drain on top of that. The reason for that is we want the drain underneath to be sloped towards the pump and not the pull drain above. We want the pull drain above to be just about a 1/4 inch below the basement floor. So that way, if you want to use it for storage or something in that aspect, you don't have this huge slope trying to get the drain to function properly to the pump itself. When you're dealing with a cinder block wall, cinder blocks are hollow. So there's no way to inject it. You either have to waterproof it from the exterior, or when you waterproof it from the interior, you break out just like you would a poured wall. You dig down 8 to 12 inches. The difference in this one is you drill holes at the very bottom cinder block wall. You want to puncture the hollow points at the bottom to allow the water that is coming in through that hollow blocks somewhere to get out at the bottom, so that way it's not continuing to fill up those hollow areas. When we do that, we're allowing the water somewhere to go versus building up and creating a new problem somewhere else.